Are you struggling to capture leads and grow your email list? It's time for a change. Introducing the LearnWorlds Popup Builder, your solution for stunning pop-ups without any coding. Engage your audience, expand your customer base, and turbocharge your business effortlessly. Enjoy flexible design options and extensive customization. Choose from over 60 mobile-friendly, high-converting templates already tested in the industry. Why waste money on external plugins when you can have everything in one place? Start with an intuitive drag-and-drop builder. Easily select where to position your pop-ups on your site. Trigger them at the perfect moment for the best results. Tailor your messages to specific audiences and utilize device-based targeting to maximize engagement. Imagine capturing emails from browsing potential customers or welcoming learners with warm video messages. Promote limited time offers and reduce abandonment rates with before-you-go messages. Keep your audience informed about new digital products and announcements. With in-depth analytics, measure your pop-ups' performance and improve your strategies. Track everything from views to conversions with a dedicated pop-up dashboard. Experience LearnWorlds, a feature-rich platform designed to build, market, and analyze your online academy effortlessly. Don't miss out. Start engaging and converting today with LearnWorlds Popup Builder. Visit our website now to learn more.